Good evening, audience. Welcome to another episode of We's Love the Language. In the parts of speech, we have completed nouns and pronouns, the first two forms, the first two parts of speech, and today we are going to take the third part of speech, third form, that is adjective. Adjective is a very small, crispy portion, yet beautiful, easy to understand. When I go through the example sentences, you will understand it very easily and very fast. Let's see what's an adjective. Adjective is a word, or adjectives are the words which modify or describe a noun or a pronoun. When an adjective is used before a noun or a pronoun, that noun or pronoun becomes more clear, more vivid. It gives modification to that particular noun. That's it, nothing else. Okay. 3. Adjective. Okay, red. And one more thing, this adjective also used to denote the number of nouns also, like many, few, 11, million, etc. Those words are also adjectives. Now here, red, fantastic, beautiful, let's keep it short, the time being. We will have other examples, more examples once these 3 adjectives are finished, because it will be easier for you to make out from the board. Those are interested, those are keen to note down my example sentences can note down very easily. That's one thing. And second thing, we can have more and more examples also. So let's keep it short and crispy. Red. My friend has a red bag. See, here bag is a noun. This red, this adjective, this is modifying, this is giving more description to the bag, saying that bag is red. Okay, say fantastic. We had a fantastic match. We had a fantastic match. Not necessary to give the time. Maybe last week, maybe yesterday, maybe today morning we had a fantastic match with some of our rival teams. We had a fantastic match. We are giving emphasis, giving more description to the word match, describing how the match was. The match was fantastic. Next is beautiful. Rose, no. Beautiful, things, beautiful things. So now, beautiful, can't be seen. Beautiful things can't be seen Sometimes. We hear from somebody that there are certain things which are very beautiful. We are not able to see that, we are not able to visit that particular thing or a place or an object which is very beautiful, but we hear from somebody. During some of the discussions it just come out. But fine, sentence is perfect. Beautiful things can't be seen sometimes. Yes, sentence is good, correct. Next. Say, many few. I told you these adjectives can also be used to denote the number of nouns, quantity, etc. Many points. See, it's giving more description to the word points. Many points were missed out. Many points were missed out during the debate or say discussion. Both are two different things. Meaning wise it's different. Debate meaning is different. Discussion meaning is different. Well, whatever the case may be, the context can be different, but see the sentence. Many points were missed out during the debate or discussion. Absolutely fine. Few, say, few mistakes. Few mistakes happened. Few mistakes happened. How many mistakes? Don't know. Few mistakes happened. Next. Say perfect. Well, we know the perfect or a perfect exhibition. A perfect exhibition was conducted by the local club. A perfect exhibition was conducted by the local club. The local club has conducted, or the local club conducted, has conducted is present perfect. Just conducted means simple past. When we go through the tenses, it will be clear to you. A perfect exhibition, the exhibition was perfect, flawless, was conducted by the local club. I will give you another example. cruel, cruel. We came across many cruel animals during our safari. See, we came across many cruel animals. See, the double usage of adjective. Nothing wrong. Many cruel animals during our safari. You know what is safari? Safari is a trip in a vehicle through a jungle. The jungle probably infested with cruel animals, birds, maybe ponds, creeks. It's a jungle, it's a forest, not a very thick forest where you can find motorable roads, but in a jungle where there are motorable roads available, you can ply your vehicles through those roads, and on the way you come across many animals. So that's called safari. It's a very special trip conducted for the tourists. Cruel. We came across many cruel animals. Many and cruel both are adjectives during our safari. So here comes the end of third section of part of speech. Is adjective. Probably next week we will take verb or adverb. Maybe at the end of verb or adverb we will switch on to one of the main parts. Probably it's the backbone of English grammar, that's tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense, etc. Well, let's wait. Here I wind up for today. See you again next week, same day, same time. Till then, it's bye from Abhay. Good night.